Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate chat heads in Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger application. We are now on the home page of the Messenger app. Now tap on these three bars in the upper left corner and now you can simply tap on this settings icon. You can find several options here. From those options, you have to tap on this notification and sounds. You will be taken to this page. You can make changes to the notifications of the Messenger app. You will have to make two important changes here. First, make sure the show previous toggle button is turned on, just like here. You can know this because it will be blue in color. Now for the next step, exit the Messenger application and open the settings. You have to search for Messenger application here. When we are here, because we are interested in notifications, so just tap on notifications. On this page, make sure this toggle button allow notification is enabled. After that, go to the alert section and make sure all the notifications are turned on. This will ensure you get notifications on Messenger. Also, make sure the badges toggle button is turned on. That is how we activate chat heads in Messenger on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.